This release of PBSend includes 4 new features, one being letterheads, where customers can upload letterheads and merge with their batch mailings. 2 being inclusion of a BRE, a business reply envelope, with a different return address. Currently, the BRE is hard-coded to the from address on the outgoing mailing. Now, a customer can specify any return address to be printed on the BRE. We've also created a page for completed jobs where a customer can check the status of jobs that they've sent out, whether they've been printed, imaged, mailed, delivered, whatnot. And also the inclusion of legal sized and flat size envelopes. Both of the envelopes are selected automatically based on what is being sent. If a legal document is uploaded, we automatically select legal paper and put it in a half-fold envelope. If the customer is uploading more than 12 letter size pages, we automatically select a flat size envelope, a larger envelope for them. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to the batch mailing section, and I'm going to send a new batch mail. Now, as you can see, there's a new section here for letterheads. By default, it's set to no letterhead. I've already uploaded a letterhead called northstarletterhead.doc. If I go to manage letterheads, you can see we have a letterhead manager page where I've got one letterhead. I can preview it. I can select additional letterheads if I wanted to, delete them or whatnot. I'm just going to go back to the batch mail manager, and I'm going to go ahead and preview this document without a letterhead just so you can see the before and after. By clicking preview, basically it downloads a PDF and opens it up. You can see it's just it's an invoice with no real fancy stuff. I'm going to go ahead and close that and switch to my North Star letterhead and click preview. You can now see that it added my letterhead. Although you can preview just the first document in this 6-document set, the user gets a pretty good idea of what the letterhead is going to look like. As for BRE, if I check off the Include Business Reply Envelope checkbox here, you can now see that the user can specify what return address they would like on the envelope. By default, it's set to the from address. They can go ahead and change this at Amazon. We save this return address for all future mailings so that the user doesn't have to type it in every time to change it. This becomes their new default address for BREs. Just going to go ahead and hit save and recalculate to update our cost. Price goes up to $6.66 to include the BRE envelope pricing. I'm just going to go ahead and hit approve and send. And the job has been submitted for processing. User can click view completed jobs to check the status of any job that has been submitted, such as if it's been printed, scanned, in the case of content certification, inserted, mailed, and delivered. Here you can see the latest job that I submitted was the 6-page invoice. You can see 6 mailings, 0 out of the 6 have been printed, 0 have been scanned, mailed, and delivered as NA, because we track delivery only for USPS certified mail, not first class mail. So since this one's a first class mail letter, you won't get any delivery notification. By clicking the job, you can actually drill down into the job and see each of the letters that were mailed out. you can drill down even further and see the recipient information, tracking number, and even the sent document if we go ahead and click that. There you go. And that includes the letterhead. As for legal and flat envelopes, there really isn't a whole lot to see on the interface. Basically, if you upload a legal sized Word document or PDF, we will print it on legal sized paper and put it into a half fold envelope. If you upload more than a 12-page letter document, since it won't fit into a number 10 envelope, we'll put it into a flat envelope. That's about it. So if you have any questions, you know how to reach me. Thanks.